Hey people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to do just a short review about Team Jamaica in Tokyo 2020 Olympics, as well as the women's 4x4 relay and the men's 4x4 relay. Okay, so the Olympics is officially closed, and Team Jamaica, I think, did well. I mean, they did well because we got 9 medals. 9 medals includes 4 gold, 1 silver, and 4 bronze. And we ended at fourth on the athletics medal table, behind the United States, number 1, Italy, number 2, and Poland, number 3. And Jamaica is in the fourth position. Yeah, bravo, bravo. There are a lot of other Caribbean islands that don't even, medal, not even 1 medal. So, big up to the athletes, Team Jamaica athletes. Yeah, man, maximum respect. You have to big them up, you can't always accost them. The men's 4x4 meter relay team consisting of Demishke, Christopher Taylor, Jahil Hyde, and Nathan Hallin. They finished 6th in the 4x4 meter final. And that is not shocking to me because I wasn't expecting them to medal. I knew they wouldn't be in a medal position. I mean, I was hoping and praying that, they would have, able to run faster times, but obviously it's not a shocker to me that they did not medal, because at the Jamaica trials, Sean Bailey, he was not in the relay final. However, he won the 400-meter race at the Jamaica trials in 45.04 seconds. And then Christopher Taylor came in second, 45.13 seconds. And then Demish Gay in 45.17 seconds. And even though they were qualified to go to the Olympics, still they did not meet the qualifying standard time, which is 44.90 seconds for the Olympics 400-meter. So I was not expecting them to medal at all, because I mean, they are competing against the best of the best, and they do not have fast times, and that's just it. You understand? But I do applaud them for trying, and thanking them for representing as well. So I am not here to bash anyone. I'm just here to just give just a humble review of the Olympics, because bashing won't help. It won't help. You can't bash people when they are done. Of course it is. You can give constructional or constructive is the word, criticism. But I'm not here for that right now. I'm just giving a review of how they did in their race, or in their races at the Olympics. Jahil Hyde, I must mention. He is very talented because he played schoolboy football as well. So he played football while he was doing checks. He went to Woolmer's boys school. Very talented. He's very young. So just give them a little time. The women's 4x4 team secured bronze, and they are Rhodesia McGregor, Genevieve Russell, Sherika Jackson, and Candice McLeod. Sherika Jackson had to step in for Stephanie and McPherson. Stephanie was in the 400-meter flat race, and she was placed fourth, and she's very devastated. Apart from that, they said that she sustained injuries, but I think it's more of a mental issue, because she was hoping to medal in the 400-meter flat race. I was hoping she would have medal as well based on the times that she ran in the heat and in the semi. You know, it is very surprising for me that she did not medal, but the field was too strong for her. So chin up, Stephanie. World Championship is around the corner, so I hope that you will be able to get an individual medal because she's very consistent, and I do believe that it is time for Stephanie Ann to get an individual medal, whether it's in the Olympics or in the World Championship. Maximum respect to Sherika Jackson. The team needed her and she was there for them. She did it in Doha as well. You know, the 100, the 4x1 relay team needed her as well and she was there for them. So maximum respect to her. Overall, Team Jamaica did well. I was hoping for 11 medals. I was hoping for a medal in the men's 4x1 relay, and I was also hoping for an extra medal in the women's 200 meter. Unfortunately, Sharika misread the stadium monitor, and so she did not secure a medal in that event, unfortunately. So still have to big her up, still have to pick up Team Jamaica, and hope that, you know, we will get more medals in World Championship next year, right? That will be in the US of A. This review is all about Team Jamaica. Yeah, man, Team Jamaica all the way. However, big up to Alison Phoenix. I always like that girl. And to my understanding, she's friends with a lot of the Jamaican athletes. I think this will be her last Olympics. So, maximum respect to her as well. Yeah, man. I really like Alison. All the best, Alison. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thanks for watching.